Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer, and right now we're going to take a look at our green pepper plants slash jalapeno pepper plants. As you can see, we've gone through 2 consecutive freezes, and these guys are still doing what they do. They're just hanging on. Now, we can attribute some of the death of these pepper plants to nematode intrusion into the roots. However, we're trying to fight that right now with eggshells and some shrimp shells as well. Anyhow, I just wanted to update you on the progress of these pepper plants, and this is basically just one big experiment. Wanted to see if they could survive through a chilly winter here in Zone 9B of Florida. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because I got more updates coming. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching.